Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to add a Google Wallet to lock screen on any Samsung phone. Now to do that, just open the Play Store and in the search bar, just search this and install this app. Then tap on open. Now just give this app this permission. Now once you've done that, now to add Google Wallet to your lock screen, just open your lock screen. Now just tap and hold on your lock screen. Now just enter your PIN. From here, just select any of these shortcuts to replace it with the Google Wallet. Now I will select the camera shortcut. From here, just select Google Wallet. Just like that. Now just select done. Now, as you can see, this is how you can add Google Wallet to lock screen on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.